Like, this is just so satisfying to look at. I don't want to throw this away. It's so cute. But like, what am I gonna do with it? Hey guys, welcome to another skincare Sunday. This one's gonna be a cool one because we're gonna be playing with some of my favorites, and we're gonna be playing with a lot of stuff that I have not tried before, and they are all from Sephora. So let's get into it. Mwah. We're gonna start off with, wow, you can't even see it. It's like invisible. We're gonna start off with the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil to get off all this makeup. I'm just gonna use this to break down all of the makeup around my face. Then we're going to use the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. They just repackaged this, so let's take a look. Look how cute the packaging is, and then when you open it up, it's all blueberries. So cute. I hope Glow Recipe comes out with like melon and peach and all those fun fruits. Like banana. Oh my god, banana stuff would be so cute. The next product I'm going to be using is the Laneige Fresh Calming Toner Lotion Tonique for sensitive skin. I haven't tried this yet either. Let's open this guy up. Look, another super freaking beautiful packaging. That is nice. That is really, this is beautiful. No, maybe I'll do like a skincare video using all like products that are a certain color. Only using pink makeup products, pink skincare products. Only using blue skincare products. What do you guys think of that? Just kind of keep the routines fun. Doesn't seem to have a smell. Main features are lychee and deep seawater. It feels really nice. I like it. It feels nice. Then we have another new product. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that this is pink. Oh yes it is. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh. That is a beautiful color. Wow. I have been waiting for a company to come out with, I've been waiting for a company to come out with colored peel-off masks, or just colored anything. Like, I love colored masks. They're so fun. They make like masking even more fun. It's going to purify and replenish dull skin. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple minutes till it dries, and then we're gonna peel it off. Look at how pretty this is. I'm back. Ooh. I don't think I expected this to be this tight. Whoa. Skin feels really soft now. Now I'm gonna try the Corona Hydra Mud Face Mask. It's like a mud mask, but like in a sheet mask. This is what it looks like. So we like peel these apart. This is very weird. I'm gonna spray my face with some Evian. My skin feels really nice now, you guys, but that was a very weird mask. The next product we're gonna use is a serum. This is the Fresh Black Tea Age Delay Firming Serum. This is one of my favorite serums ever. And then for eye cream, I have the Volition Helix AM PM Eye Gel. And then we're gonna use one of my absolute favorites, ever. This is the jet lag mask from Summer Fridays, you guys. I love, love, love this mask. And I'm in the middle of doing inventory, so like I can't move this mask from its place, and I just like want to keep it in my bathroom so I can put this on like every day. So the jet lag mask you can actually keep on. You don't have to take it off, so I'm going to do just that. I'm just gonna put like a really thin layer of it on. So like kind of put it in like a moisturizer, but not rub it in. I'm just not gonna rub it in all the way. And then the last thing part of this routine is this lip balm from Tarte. This is one of their Quench lip balms, and it's just the clear one. Alright guys, so that is it for my full Sephora skincare routine, playing around with some new products and some of my faves. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I really want to hear what your favorites are from Sephora. Comment them down below because I am always looking for new products to try, especially skincare, because some of these were so cool, and honestly, like, I'm just looking at them sitting on my desk right now and they just look like so satisfying because they're just so colorful and pretty and cute. Comment down below what your favorites are, what you're really looking to try, what's like sitting in your basket right now on Sephora's website. I will tell you that I have a ton of products sitting in my basket. Here, trying to figure out what my password is. So because I can't remember my password, I can't show you guys what's in my basket, but I know for sure there's a new mask coming out from Summer Fridays, or it's already been out. It's their it's like their pumpkin-y smelling mask. Want that 110%. There's some products for my Why ABC series video called, I believe it's Yumi, and they're very focused on like yoga and kind of like an athleisure skincare brand, and it was very interesting to me. They had some really cool products. And then I have like 5 things from Herbivore in there. So that's what's in my Sephora basket right now, if you guys were curious. Let me know what's in your Sephora basket. What products are you looking to try? Which ones are you super excited about? Or which ones have you been using that you really love? Comment those down below. That's all I have for today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me on Skincare Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this routine. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And make sure, as always, to check out all of my other videos right here on the sides. And subscribe to me right here. Click the notification bell, please. Thanks. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.